Welcome to Enoven Foods. I'm Nahida and today I'm sharing a delicious comforting sweet snack, Jaggery Nashta. Soft inside, crisp outside and packed with the warm richness of jaggery. Let's make it together. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup rice flour, half cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons suji, half teaspoon cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix all the dry ingredients well. Now take half cup jaggery and melt it in half cup water. Once melted, strain to remove any impurities. Add the jaggery syrup to the flour mix. Always strain jaggery syrup to remove sand or residue. Jaggery is one of the oldest natural sweeteners in South Asia. Pour in 1/4 cup water and stir well. Mixing the batter well ensure fluffiness inside. Mix thoroughly for 3 to 5 minutes until smooth. Now fold it in 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Jaggery is rich in iron and helps boost immunity. Rice flour and suji make these snacks light yet filling. Coconut adds healthy fats and a mild sweetness, a great alternative to overly processed dessert. Heat oil on medium flame. Drop spoonfuls of batter and fry gently on both sides until golden brown. Don't overcrowd the pan while frying to maintain oil temperature. This snack is often made during winter festival for extra warmth and energy. You can also add crushed fennel or sesame for a flavor boost. It's a fusion of traditional flavors and modern quick snack techniques. Serve warm for the perfect tea time treat. Add coconut just before frying to retain texture. And your Jaggery Nashta is ready, warm, sweet and straight from the heart of home cooking. Try this recipe, let us know how it turned out. Like, comment and share with friends who love traditional snacks. Don't forget to follow Enoven Foods for more quick and wholesome ideas. Until next time, keep it fresh, keep it flavorful.